Okay, so as a part 3 of camera kit, which will be helpful for you to bring the lens onto your mobile now, provided the mobile is connected to the same Wi-Fi that your laptop is connected with. All right, so if all your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, then this will work. So how do you go about it? Okay, so next step 2 is modify package.json. All right, where is package.json? You have package.json here. Okay, in this there will be a code written called as dev white, that has to be converted to dev white host port 9000. Okay, so this command, wherever this command is written in package.json, you have to write this command, selected one. Okay, so I copy the selected command. I look for where dev white is written in package.json. In package.json, dev white is written here. All right, so I will change it to dev white host port 9000. All right, once I've done that, I will control S, because the white dot, that will stop it from applying this command. All right, once that's done, this enables the website to be accessed by IP address. All right, that's why IP address is basically your Wi-Fi IP address. So this enables the website to be accessed by Wi-Fi address. Okay, now run this following command in terminal. All right, npm white plugin mk certificate, ये ठीक है. So I will copy it and I will go to the terminal, control C, this one. All right, and then enter. This will install some certificates that you need to put it to your web page. All right, mobile. So zero vulnerabilities, everything good. All right, that is done. The next step after that is create a file, whiteconfig.js, in the base project folder. This is very important. Base project folder, it's very important. Okay, what it is. And this is the file that we'll be creating. How to create a file. All right, so when you go to this one, you go to the base folder. All right, and then you click on new file. Once you have a new file here, what is the name of the new file is supposed to be? The name of the new file is supposed to be whiteconfig.js. I'll copy it here, and then if you don't work on it, it just extinguishes, right? So you create new file and then you create white.config.js. All right, here we have another file that we just created based on the instructions. All right, now add the following content. This is the content we have to add in there. I'll control C, I'll control V here. Okay, and then I control S to save it, to get rid of this. Sorted. Next step is run the following in terminal. Okay, npm run dev, everything is fine. I will go ahead and I will run this command. If everything goes well, I should get 2 links. One link is, so this one, this localhost link was working for your web application, right? Your web browser. But there is an additional link that comes that helps you see it in your mobile. So I will control C, and I will control C this link, and I will send myself this link on WhatsApp.